Welcome. In this video, we'll learn a quick way to create a LaTeX table from Word table or Excel data. Just go to this website, tablegenerator.com. This one. Here from the file menu, we can import the CSV file or we can paste the table data. Also LaTeX code. We can directly copy and paste. This is the Word table. I'll just copy. Just move your cursor to the first cell and paste here, Control V. First row we can make a bold. Just select and press here. We can also change the position. For example, I want to put these in center. This one also. We can also use horizontal and vertical lines. Just select the table from here. Then use this one. Add all borders. Once you are done, just go down. Put the caption, table caption. Then generate. Our code has been generated. Caption position we can change from here. Above and below. I want to choose this one. Then copy. This code we can use in our LaTeX document. We can use book tabs. From here we can change the style. We can remove the horizontal and vertical lines. Book tabs, table style. So in this case we will have only top, mid and bottom line. Then generate. Copy, paste here. There is one suggestion. We need to use book tabs package. All right. We can merge any columns and any rows. For example, these two, if I want to merge, select, then go to this option. We can put it in center. Similarly, and then create a table, generate table. For creating new table, just go to File, New Table, Create. Here I have same table in the Excel. Just copy, in the same way, and paste there. Or we can directly import this file to that website. But first we have to save this in CSV format. Go to the first cell and paste there. Same way. Using this option, we can scale the table to text width. This package is required and it is suggesting, so we just need to load here. So in this case, table width will be the same as the text width of the page. So this is the quick way to create a LaTeX table. That's all for today learning. Thanks for watching.